Hey guys, so I'm at it again in the kitchen, and if it takes me holding this camera in order to get things done, then that's the way I'm gonna do it, because I need to get things done. So in the cupboards, I got it all cleaned out, scrubbed it real good. I washed these black things. I found a whole roll of this laying in the street. Somebody must have dropped it getting out of their car. It was years and years ago. And when I found it, I was like, whoo, because I was looking for something like that. Not on the street, but I mean, I wanted to buy something like that. So that's where they came from a long time ago. So I got them all cleared off. And what it wasn't like bugs eating at something and eroding the little pieces of wood, and you know what I mean, like a termite or something. It was just cocoa. I don't know how I didn't recognize that when I was cleaning it. Don't know. But anyway, yeah. So there's a whole mess of cocoa under there that I got. So everything's all clean, and so far I started putting away the drinks. I got the vinegar back behind there, and then like I got the spices hidden back there. Because if I need a spice, then I know where I'm keeping them. But a lot of them I just throw away. Did not give a crap. So the gravy and just all kinds. I'm tired of it. If I don't use it, what is the point of keeping it? And then it expires. I'm still not using it and holding on to it. It's like I ain't got room in my life for shit that I don't even use. Okay, so what I'm gonna do today, I was starting to put this back together, and I said, hold up, wait a minute, because we still got this. Okay, so I already threw away breadcrumbs, and I transferred the salt over to there. Okay, so it's time to get this stuff out. So unicorn cakes, I just bought them. Milky Ways. Fig Newtons. This is all fresh stuff, I know this. Potato chips, tastes like pickles. Okay, here's a chicken broth. September 22, so I should get that used up. It's a pack of noodles. Linguine. I made linguine salad recently. It didn't taste anywhere near as good as I thought, but then again, consider the spices that I was using. The Salad Supreme expired a couple years ago, so I'm not seeing a date on, you know, I'm just throwing it away. I don't care. Oh, here's a barbecue sauce. 2021. Let's just get rid of it. There's another grapeseed oil. Wonder if I should put that with the open one in this cupboard. I think so. And then just use, it can go on a top shelf. I gotta, no it won't. Yeah, well, no, it won't go on top shelf. Okay, so we're gonna look back here. There it is. Okay, so we're gonna pull this out. I'm gonna put the old one back there, put that one there, and you can, I think you can hardly tell the difference. Okay, so maybe they should go over here. I know where the fucking salt is. I know where the salt is. I can put them right here in front of the salt. That's like the least. Whoops, can't see what I'm doing. There, just keep them like that. I know they're both there. There you go. Yeah, right in front of the salt. Okay. And probably, oh no. Thinking the cheese can come up here. Like that. Yeah. Well, I'll just put this right here. It's the chicken broth. Oh, because I gotta get that used up. Okay. So, it's a can of chicken. Oh wow. Alright. Stovetop. June 22. I'm keeping that. There's still some in there. Okay. I don't want that kind of stuff up there. It doesn't have to fit here. It'd have to go in the front. Well, not in front of the tea. Am I going to drink the tea anytime soon? Need sweeten? I'm not going to forget it's there. Collagen. That's the way you see. Maybe pour it like that. Put the stovetop in here. Like back like that. And then the broth back like that. I think so. Here's the sugar. So the drinks and everything's up there. Okay. I'm so used to the drinks being on this shelf, I might rearrange that. What else is up here? Oh, that's a good kind of ham, too. $20.25. Okay. My emergency ham. This is going to go sit out on the rack in the other room. Emergency syrup. Get the fuck out of here. This is food bank issue. I know it is. Where is the date? I don't see a date. I don't know if maple syrup goes bad. Guess what? I don't need it. I don't want it. Okay. Scooby Snacks. Okay, Nestle Crunches. Okay, move my slippers before I trip over them. Get out of here. Okay, this is probably no good by now. Oh, it's no good. I wonder what it looks like, if there's bugs in it or something. Let's check and see if we have bugs, because I'm betting there are. I think there are. I don't know. Let's be at the bottom. Turn it upside down and look. I'm not seeing any bugs. It's 2018. Well, there's another pack in there too. I wonder if there are any bugs in the bottom of the box. That's in it. Okay. Here we are wasted on this. Wait. Come on, move. Okay. There's no bugs in it. But the date is just too old. 2018 for expiration. That's too much. Okay, so we're gonna... Oh, I almost dropped my phone in the water. Alright. Hold up, I gotta break a box down. Alright. So this is the butter for the popcorn. And here's my tea bags. They should be here in there with that. Okay. So, what's it looking like up there? Hold up. Alright. I could feel that. Wow, I could feel that under my fingers. Oh shit, I see it under here on the dishes side. Ah, don't make me take them out. Is that good enough? Looks pretty good. Alright. Okay. This is what I noticed over here. Wait a minute. Chair back. There's the screw coming out, so that's giving it no support at all. It's relying on the screws that are bolted to the wall. Let's see what. Well, there was one up here. It's missing. I didn't take it down. So yeah, that's not bolted in on the top. That's not doing anything at all. Okay, anyway. It's not important. It's been like that for a decade. I mean, it does look like it's coming down a little bit more. Alright. So now we can reestablish the goodie cabinet. Oops, upside down, Scooby. Well, I've got another one of these because I got a bunch of snacks for my kids, my grandson, and they're not coming, so I should get them. Okay, hold up. Alright, so we'll get another box of Scooby snacks. Something tells me the chips are coming out pretty soon. So put Scooby in the back and the chips in the front. Put the Milky Ways on top of Scooby. I think that Big Newton should lean up like that too. Popcorn for now. Okay, so extra goldfish now that my baby's not. This I'm going to give. I know who to give this to because I can't eat it. I can eat Slim Jims. Well, I know who to give that to. It shouldn't even go in a cupboard. Just wait till I see them. Yeah, okay. Well, and if that's the case, then we could put the bread and the confetti cake up here. There's a rainbow cake. You can go right there. Okay. So I can see it's a lot of room now. All right. I'll put you right here. You're getting eaten pretty damn soon. I'm gonna make them like really soon. Okay. So over here, all these soups. What one is this? This is another chicken, I think. Okay. So I gotta pack the kind you boil in water for a couple minutes. I was gonna give them to my son too. I think he likes them. So anyway, they sent the wrong ones to me. I was trying to get him a case of these so he'd have them for lunch, and all he'd need is hot water and go in the store, take it in a thermos. I don't fucking know. I don't know. Whatever. I don't know why I think the things I do, but I just want to help them. Okay, so this is beverage, and this is beverage. I'm not liking that at all. These are coming down here. This is my fucking tea. Get the hell out of here. Hello. So I've got my tea, my cappuccino, my sugar. Okay, and those can stay right where they are. I don't know. Okay, I use this a lot. So my broth can go on this side. Probably pull the sugar out. Put the broth back like that. Okay. Here's one more. There's the chicken. Okay. Now down the bottom is a soup. I'll put tuna. The white albacore. I always keep that right here like this. The albacore, so just keep doing it that way. Okay. Here's another aggressive soup. It's broccoli and cheese. Get our vegetable one, but that's a newer vegetable one. Okay. Well, maybe one can lay down. Maybe two can lay down. I don't fucking know. Whatever. Okay. Manwich. Manwich should go on this side because it's more of food. Okay. And chicken a la king can come here. And dumplings can come here. Here's a cream and mushroom soup. The cat's tuna. It's a different kind of tuna. Here goes some pears. I'll put a pear over here because I know where all the pears are. Here goes box soup. Put box soup up there. What fell? Okay, that's just a piece of that. Alright. Tomato soup. Well, okay, the tomato soup can go right up in there too. Well, why don't I put some peas? Why don't I put peas and carrots up there? Since I don't have anything to put up there now. And I want to use this gravy. These things need used pretty fast. So, put them where Sam, this isn't going to get used. I'm just going to leave it sit right there. I thought I'm never going to use it. It's just going to get pitched. This is the soup that needs used, so I'll reach up here first. Okay, this is drink. I'll get more bags of stuff. Where's the bags? Here. Okay. So, make it like a little divider. And a bag, and there's a couple mixes. Just keep them closer to the front, man. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. There's so much room in there, I don't know what to do with it. Okay, and then these are the hot chocolate that need to be drank pretty soon. My straws. Oh, you gotta fit the straws in there. You gotta fit the straws. Lay them down like that, and then I just reach in there, get one. Okay. Ah! Fuck. Okay. Well, stuffing. Oh, yeah. There's a stuffing. Which is mashed potatoes. That's a mashed potato. Okay. And these are both noodles. Hey, come back here. These are noodles. And here's a mashed potato. And there's a Velveeta. We can't get through that way. Go back behind her. It's stuck. Come on, let me see so I know what one I'm grabbing. Oh yeah, I can see it. Okay. Alright. And this. Well, it ain't going in there. Okay. It ain't going in there. I don't know what to do with this. Put it underneath with all the other shit. You don't know what to fucking do with. Lay in the back of that fucking pan you just paid all much money for and you don't even use it. It's a grill pan. It's layered like a grill. And I don't even use it. I had one that was cast iron. I gave that to my son because he said there's a certain way to clean it. Like you don't use soap. So I'm like, I'm not with that. I can't have things like that. You know, you don't use soap for it? No. Cast iron is not for me. And it's so fucking heavy, too. So I asked him if he wanted it, and he said, yeah. So I hope he's getting use out of that. It didn't cost much. Okay. This little clippy go in there. Mootie! I'm sorry I have no use for you anymore, Mooty. Why don't you go back there for now? Okay, so I don't need this box anymore. That's a target for Charlie Beans because he'll pee on that and it will absorb the pee and it's a whole lot less mopping. And I know it sounds absolutely absurd. You put a box on the floor for the dog to pee on. If I put pee pad down, he would just get the corner and it would be around it anyway. You know what I mean? The pee wouldn't be all on the pee pad. Anyway, so I'd give him a target. It's like, look, I'll pick it up and put a new one down every so often. So that's what that's about. Okay, I don't need the chair out anymore. Move the garbage can. Oh, that's heavy now. I took that one bag outside completely on its own and put it in the garbage. And that is so heavy. With just the syrup and the barbecue sauce that I threw away on that whole big thing of gravy. That's like something you'd see in a restaurant like that. And it expired so long ago and there was hardly any use. And as I was shaking it out in there, you know, so I could throw the plastic away for recycling, it wouldn't come out of the bottom as hard as a rock. And you never would have known that because it was so full. So, I don't know. Okay, so let's look. I like it. That's looking good. Look, that's looking pretty good. I think so. This is all fresh food, mostly. You know, a couple things like, yeah. I had to write there on the clock. But, I think that's about it. I'll put this back. I wonder what size shoe dude wears. I should put them... Okay, what happened here? What's in here? Just bags. Okay. Cookie. Gingerbread house for grandbaby. So, how about putting a freaking light on? Okay. So, I'm gonna put these undershirts on Marketplace along with the socks. And he's got there's some jeans. I would like to give them to my grandson. I want him to have them. But you know, I was told not to send anything there. And so I guess I'll put them on Marketplace. Like I took the underwear back. And I got a refund for my card. See, there's a problem up at Walmart. So I called them about, I was trying to return that blender, right? Wait, I gotta put these in there too. Hold up. Okay, so I called about the blender. And told them, you know, the experience I was having at Walmart. They says, hey, their machine is down. If you bought something from the store that was mailed to you, you got to go to another Walmart, any other Walmart, but not that one because their computer is broken, their machine's broken that handles those returns. So, you know, I called Walmart and I told them about that, and so I called back to that Walmart, my local Walmart, and I was going to see, is your machine fixed? They says, we don't know what you're talking about. You have to send that through the mail. Like, no. What happens when you receive a gift from Walmart that came through the mail? Are you supposed to send that through the mail too? No, you take it back to Walmart. It's not my fault their machine's broken. Anyway, in the long run, what they did is they credit me like I returned it, but they told me I can keep it, donate it, do whatever. So, the baby socks and pajamas, the undershirt, his hoodie, and my new blender that I thought was kind of, you know, defective. So I got like an $80 credit back on my card for these things. So, alright, woohoo. These, I can't return them. I bought these for my son. My son's 10.5 Skechers. They're steel-toed. They're electrocution proof. It says something about that on there somewhere. So, you know, I just want him to have a good heavy shoe, good heavy boot to work in, and not worried about if he's working on electricity and water or anything. You know, like about, and oh, he doesn't want them. So I guess I'll put them on Marketplace. I'll build the gingerbread house. These, I don't know if I'm going to like the Gatorade. I thought he'd take them with him for lunches. You know, I was thinking just stupid shit, little things. Because I don't know what to buy him. I mean, when he told me he didn't want the boxer briefs I bought for the baby, like, hey, you got biggie boy pants like daddy or something like that, you know, your biggie boy underwear. He says that they cause low sperm count. He was worried about the baby's sperm count, so he didn't want them anymore. I'm like, they're $20. There's like a 10-pack of underwear for $20. It was a good deal. I thought it was a good deal. And he gives me a line like that. I thought, are you serious? Okay. So I've got to take pictures of these things and get them up online, because if I post them all together and somebody is like, look, $25 for all this stuff? Yeah. The shoes though, that's $100 pair of shoes. They're going for $50. I'll take a loss. That's all I know in my life, is how to take a loss. You better not be in here. Where you at? Up on the bed. Him up on mommy bed. There miss. There miss. Him up on mommy bed. He don't know how to jump up here when I'm here, huh? Wow, his eyes look red in the camera. Not to my eye, but in the camera, yeah. Wow, that's creepy. So I started doing this, you know, the one, no, there's two. I don't like the lion. I like the lion so much worse. Like, I'm going to sell that too. That's going to go on with when I take pictures of those things to sell. But she's supposed to have blood coming down for tear, and I'm like, you know, I could relate to this now a whole lot more than I could all these other times I've seen it. You know, like, yeah, I'm freaking crying. I'll be the Mad Hatter bitch, and I'll let my bird fly away, and I'll cry over it. But I'm not gonna cry blood, you know what I mean? So I put blues in there. I think it's okay. I'm not really sure about the yellow, and I'm just like, let it go. Just let it go, whatever, you know. There's yellow over here on her face, from her hair, and I don't know. And up, you know, her makeup. Wait, you want? Did you see him put his paw on that? Yeah. So okay. Oh, and then there's these. I figure, why not open them up and check them out? So I did. You know, well, my grandson isn't gonna get them. So what are they? Right. So I opened them up, and basically they're a couple stickers, just like that. That's all they'll turn out. I guess that's a real one. Maybe it's a freebie. And a birdhouse. And I figured, well, I could build a birdhouse, you know, it's for kids. Either if I see a kid before I get into them, like the stickers, like I really don't need to be doing those. But what the heck, why not? I mean, I could put stickers around the place on things, I mean, why not? put one on the refrigerator, or put one on the door. There goes the lights out. Alright. Another half an hour. Now I'm going to put the dishes away. Oh, I found a place for all the extra pieces of the blender because it comes with 2 cups. They look like malt, you know, like milkshake malt kind of cups. You know, so I put them in here because I hardly ever use the big crock pot anymore. Ever since I got the little one, I hardly use a crock pot anyway. So I was just, you know, yeah. And then this will just have to sit out. Unless I get that up on top shelf with a cupboard. I could do that now. I've got room for it now. Because this will have to go in the cupboard. Yeah, okay, so I think I did pretty good. I boiled sausages today. I know, boiling them, not frying them. But they taste good. They're nice and soft and tender and they're like that, you know, so I can eat them pretty easily. Like not when I burnt the bacon and I was sucking on the fucking bacon. It wasn't like black and burnt, it kind of a little bit. Yeah, a little bit, but it didn't have the taste of this is burnt, I can't eat it. So I just like sucked on the bacon for an eternity. The only thing left to wash is a little spoon. I think I did good. And I guess I should take that garbage out now because it's kind of heavy. Get that out. Let me check out the refrigerator. There's 2 hard-boiled eggs left. There's 4 regular ones. The pickles are still good. I think I should throw those 3 alcoholic beverages away. Or drink them. How about drinking them, Robin? How about drinking them? How about drinking the strawberry daiquiri, like, right now? No, you got a whole glass of Mountain Dew. Do it. Do it. Do it. After I drink the Mountain Dew. I don't want to waste it. Yeah. Put it right here in the front. Got my lunch meat. Isn't supposed to be right there. Is it okay. Oh, here we go. This is gone. This I thought, because it was still, it's expired now. But at the time that I pushed it back there a couple days ago, you know, still a couple days, I could have used the sauce. There's no potatoes in the potato salad anymore. But there's this big clump of sauce. Let's put the whole thing in the recycle bag. It'll wash off when it goes in that great big hot water thing. So, does that look like everything? Let me check my potatoes. They're still good. Well, they're working on it. What's in use? What's in here? Just onion. Just onions. Okay, they're still good. The meat tray. Wash the meat tray. Might as well, right? Okay, I'm done. That's everything. Not quite. Okay, these are my breakfast sandwiches. Okay. Pierogies gotta go. Pierogies gotta go. Oh, these are good. These are really good. Jimmy Dean roll-ups. Like breakfast. Oh, yum, yum, baby. This is, I feel like salt. I think this is salt in here. Everything else is good. The burritos and some meat. And sauce and cream pie. I just throw this shit away. What's in here? Yep. Salt. No, it's not. Brown sugar. Cinnamon and sugar. Well, that don't need to be in the fucking freezer. I'm already adding, creating chaos. Get the pierogies out too. Throw them away, Robin. Let me see them first. It's just a big chunk of ice. Forget that. Okay, we got the refrigerator cleaned out, the freezer's cleaned out, cupboards are cleaned out. Oh, I got way too much stuff on there, but it's fine. You know, that'll get moved and put away as time goes. But right now, well, the peanut butter can get put away. Ta-da! Okay, I'm done. I am done. I think I'm done. You want to smell good, Robin? Here we go with some smell good. Yeah, this is a good one. What's it called? Summer berry, and it's got popsicles on it. It smells nice. I was quite pleased with it. And this one's a little bit stronger. Remember the one that looked like it was bamboo, but it wasn't. It was white birch. That's gone. I used that up so good. Went fast. Here's my frankincense and myrrh. It's like hardly anything left in it. It's potent. It's maybe even masculine. You know, a man could wear that and get away with it. But I'm alone. Oh yeah, the new one I got. This one smells good. It's rose. $3. Alright, okay. So, pretty much everything's cleaned off. I got them off before still. And when I made the sausages, I made a mess. So, okay, that's all it really needs cleaned up. I think I did good. Alright. For a long-ass video, once again, peace out, and God bless.